In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can forget a Wi-Fi network here on your PlayStation 5. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But from the PlayStation 5 home screen, what you're going to want to do is scroll up and select the settings cogwheel up in the top right corner and open up your settings, and from here go into your network settings. Scroll down on this page until you see the settings option just like so, and then go into setup internet connection, and here you're going to see your registered Wi-Fi networks. Highlight your connected Wi-Fi network and press the options button on your controller, and then scroll down and select forget. A message is going to pop up saying your PlayStation 5 is no longer going to connect automatically, and you just have to confirm by hitting OK. Now to actually reconnect, once again, you just need to back out and go back into setup internet connection and just select your Wi-Fi, re-enter in your password, and you'll be connected again. But overall, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.